Hi, good morning everybody. What about your exam? Did you attend everything? Okay. After a short break, we will start our next chapter. Okay. We already completed 10 chapters. That's so simple. Today we want to discuss a new chapter from GK. That is our 11th chapter. Chapter name, The British Rulers. What is our chapter name? Chapter 11, The British Rulers. What is our chapter name? The British Rulers. Okay. Then, the Governor Generals and Viceroys were the head of the British administration in India. Listen, Governor General and Viceroys. Here is a Governor General and Viceroy. Okay. That means we know that like king that we call the Viceroy. Okay. That person have a sovereign power. Okay. Listen, what if you want to underline this? The Governor Generals and Viceroys were the head of the British administration in India. We expect one question. Who was the British administrators in India? Then what is the answer? The Governor General and a Viceroy. Okay, here is a certain questions. We want to find the answer. They had complete authority over the British India. Who are included in the Viceroy or a Governor General? Related to that, here is a certain questions. Okay, what is the first question? Here gave one picture and also one question. What is the question? Who was the first Viceroy of India? Who was the first Viceroy of India? Can you say that answer? You heard about Viceroy? Okay. Say the answer. What is my question? Who was the first Viceroy of India? Here gave that picture. That person's picture. Yes. That is the answer. Lord Canning. Lord Canning is the answer. Lord Canning is the answer. Right? Very neat and clear. Lord Canning. Okay. Then, second question. Very familiar person. Name the Governor General who introduced the railways in India. His speciality, he introduced railways in India. Who is that person? Yes, Lord Dalhousie. We say in Malayalam Dalhousie Prabhu. Lord Canning, Canning Prabhu. Okay, here is the second question's answer. I repeat the second question. Name the Governor General who introduced the railways in India. Answer, Lord Dalhousie. Lord Dalhousie. Okay, Lord Dalhousie. Then, third question. Which viceroy was popularly known as the father of the local self-government system? Listen, his speciality, he popularly known as local self-government system. Can you say that name? Which viceroy? Yes, Lord Ripon. Okay, what is the answer? Lord Ripon. The third answer is Lord Ripon. What is the third answer? Lord Ripon. Okay. The fourth one. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of the partition of Bengal? Okay. We already studied the partition of Bengal. In which situation the partition of Bengal and so many things you already studied in your SS. Okay, listen. Here is one question. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of the partition of Bengal? Which Viceroy? Lord Curzon. Okay, Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon. We say in Malayalam, Curzon Prabhu. Lord Curzon. Okay. Here now we discussed 4 personalities. Okay. Listen. We already gave that person's picture and also some questions related to this. What is the first question? Who was the first Viceroy of India? What is the answer? Lord Canning is the first Viceroy of India. The second one, name the Governor General who introduced the railways in India. Listen, his speciality, he introduced the railways in India. That is Lord Dalhousie. What is the answer? Lord Dalhousie. The third question, which Viceroy was popularly known as the father of the local self-government system? That is Lord Ripon. Then fourth question, who was the Viceroy of India at the time of the partition of Bengal? That is Lord Curzon. Is it clear? These 4 questions and answer. Is it clear? Have you any doubt from this topic? Okay. Then we moving on. Another question. That is the question number 5. Name the Governor General who abolished the practice of sati, the social evil that was common among Indians. Listen. Name the Governor General who abolished the practice of sati. Who abolished it? What do you mean by abolished? Completely avoided from here. We know that sati. Okay. What is sati? Husband മരിച്ചു പോയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വൈഫ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യണമായിരുന്നു ആ ചിതയിലേക്ക് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഡെഡ് ബോഡി കത്തിക്കുന്ന ആ ചിതയിലേക്ക് എടുത്തു ചാടി ആത്മാഹുതി ചെയ്യണമായിരുന്നു. ദാറ്റ് വി കോൾ സതി. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പോൾ ഹിയർ ഈസ് name the Governor General who abolished the practice of sati, the social evil that was common among Indians. Indians ഇടയിൽ എന്താണ് social evil ആയിരുന്നു. Who completely abolished this social evil. Which social evil? Sati. Okay. His name Lord Willington. What is the answer? Lord Willington. Fifth answer, Lord Willington. His name Lord Willington. Okay. Lord Willington. Okay. Lord Willington. Then, who was the Viceroy of India at the time of the Salt Satyagraha and the first Round Table Conference? Listen, our 6th question. What's the speciality of the 6th question? Who was the Viceroy of India when at the time of the Salt Satyagraha? Okay, we know that Salt Satyagraha, Uppu Satyagraha, Gandhijiyude നേതൃത്വത്തിൽ ഉപ്പ് നിയമം ലംഘിച്ച്. Okay, Uppu Satyagraha, that is very familiar. You already studied in junior classes. And also first Round Table Conference. Okay, Round Table Conference, we know that here is 3 Round Table Conference. We say in Malayalam, Vattamesha Sammelanam. Okay, for what purpose here is the Round Table Conference started? Yes, they want to discuss some changes in the constitutional reforms. Okay, they want to discuss some constitutional reforms. Who were engaged? There is Britishers and that means British government and Indian political personalities. They discussed something, the constitutional reforms. For that, here is started. First, what? Yes, Round Table Conference. Okay. Listen. Which Viceroy? Okay, that is the Lord Irwin. Which Viceroy? Lord Irwin. Okay, Lord Irwin. Listen, here is that Viceroy, Lord Irwin. Okay, Irwin Prabhu. That is in Malayalam. Lord Irwin. The next one is our 7th question. Name the Viceroy of India at the time of the 2nd and the 3rd Round Table Conference. First question, who was the Viceroy of India at the time of the Salt Satyagraha and first round table conference. On that time here is Lord Irwin is the viceroy. The another question, name the viceroy of India at the time of the second and third round table conference. Who was the viceroy? Lord William Bentinck. Okay, Lord William Bentinck. Lord William Bentinck. P-I-N-C-K. N silent and how we call this Bentinck. Lord William Bentinck. Is it clear? I repeat, don't make mistake because here is more similar these questions. The sixth question. Okay. Who was the viceroy of India at the time of Salt Satyagraha and first round table conference? On that time here is Lord Irwin is the viceroy. Then name the viceroy of India at the time of the second and third round table conference. On that time here is Lord William Bentinck is the viceroy. Then who was the last viceroy of India and also the first governor general of independent India? Who was the last viceroy of India? Who was the last viceroy of India and also the first governor general of independent India? It's a speciality, last viceroy and a first governor general of independent India. Okay, you know that answer? Yes. Yes, Lord Mountbatten. What is the answer? Lord Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten. Okay, listen. Here again 4 questions also we discussed. For total 8 questions. Okay, I repeat. Now we discuss the British rulers. We know that before independence here is British rulers. We call that is the viceroy or governor generals. Okay, the governor general and viceroy were the head of the British administrators or administration in India. Okay, here we discussed 8 personality. The firstly Lord Canning is a speciality. He was the first viceroy of India. Lord Canning was the first viceroy of India. Secondly, we discussed Lord Dalhousie. His speciality was the governor general and also he introduced railways in India. Then third person, Lord Ripon. Listen, he was the viceroy, was popularly known as the father of the local self-government system. The fourth person is the Lord Curzon. Its speciality, he was the viceroy of India at the time of the partition of Bengal. Then the fifth person, Lord Wellington. Named the government, listen, he was the governor general and also his speciality, he abolished the practice of sati. That's the social evil that was common among the Indians. Then Lord Irwin, his speciality, he was the viceroy of India at the time of Salt Satyagraha and the first round table conference. Then we discussed the another personality, that is Lord Willing. So listen, here is a Lord William Bentinck. His speciality, he was the viceroy of India at the time of second and third round table conference. Lastly, we discussed Lord Mountbatten. His speciality, he was the last viceroy of India and also the first governor general of independent India. Okay, is it clear? But now here we discussed 8 question and answer. It's so simple. Listen, I already told one thing. Every day, that means when we completed the GK class, you want to write 3 times all question answers in your rough book, 1 time write in your notebook. Okay, and also one thing, here is one thing, do you know? You expected certain questions from this part. Here is some extra boxes. Do you know? Don Francisco de Almeida, also known as the Great Don Francisco, was the first Portuguese viceroy of India. Listen, you expected this type of question. Who was the first Portuguese viceroy of India? What's the name? the great Don Francisco or Don Francisco de Almeida. Okay. Okay, children. To be continued on next class. Thank you.